Okay, I have a client that just told me that she purchased a waxing kit for home and she wanted to know what I thought of it. Let me tell you my thoughts. It's great. If you can do your wax at home, I applaud you because I'm all for low maintenance. So if that helps you create some low maintenance at home so you don't have to leave and go somewhere, and you feel like you just could do a little tutorial and you'd be good, more power to you. So here are my tips when waxing at home. Follow along. You want to first cleanse the area. I'm going to do my brows, this area. See them? Little hair strands right there. You're going to take your popsicle stick, place it in your wax pot. You're going to come up on the sides so that it's clean edge in the back, on the side, all of that. So see how this wax is moving down? Yes. That would be bad. We don't want to put that on our face. It means it's too hot. That caused damage to the skin. It wouldn't like it. So you want to go back and forth, up and down. That's how I like to do it. Until you notice that little bubble stop moving. Once it's kind of, see it kind of moved down to the bottom? Let me try it one more time. All right. So now, once that little bubble stopped moving, I always like to place it up, so that way I get a lot of wax here because I need it thick. Thin wax areas are not good. Really hard to get off, especially if it's hard wax. And that's what I like to use. I don't like using strips. I feel like, ouchie, that hurts. Bubbles here, so that you're gonna lay down first, and then you're gonna slowly move the popsicle stick down and around so that it's flat so you get all of that wax there too. Same with the lip. If you're doing your lip, follow this. A little trick. Don't mind that. Put your tongue here to tighten the lip area. So when you apply, here and press down. Now when you pull it, put your lip right back there. Gather, use your fingertip, pump and go. Okay? Let it kind of sit for a minute or two. You're going to take your fingertip, get a little lip, okay, right here. You're going to take it, pull with a finger down in the opposite direction that you're going to take your other hand and pull the wax off, just like that. And then now you've got all those cute little hairs in your wax strip, no longer underneath your eye or on your lip, or heaven forbid in your nose. And that does happen. I like to do some nose waxing, but I don't know if I'd do that at home, actually. Scratch that. Chin, that'd be fine. I always like to say, if you are sensitive skin, I'd avoid using wax remover. Stay away from that. I've not had great experience with it. Why? I think it just clogs the pores and you've just pulled everything up. Do I technically know? Not really. It's just something I don't do. Hard wax, you can go over, I would say, I don't like to go over more than twice. That's for hard wax. Soft wax with like the paper strips, I would not go over that area again. That'd be a no for me. That's why I like to stick to hard wax. I feel like it's user-friendly. So try that out. This is how to keep yourself safe to where you're not burning off your skin at home when doing your waxes at home. You got it. I know you can do it. Can't wait to hear about it.